Chemical properties of alkali metal elements and their uses. Objective: to study the reaction of alkali metals with water, hydrogen, oxygen, halogen, and sulfur, along with their uses. Reaction of alkali metals with water. Alkali metals react with water to produce their respective metal hydroxides, along with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Let us see the reaction of potassium with water. When a piece of potassium metal is added in a trough filled with cold water, potassium burns spontaneously on the surface of the water. This reaction produces aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide. 2 moles of potassium react with 2 moles of water to give 2 moles of potassium hydroxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Potassium hydroxide is used to diagnose fungal infections. Reaction of alkali metals with hydrogen. Alkali metals react with hydrogen to give their respective metal hydrides. Let us take the example of lithium hydride. When dry hydrogen gas is allowed to pass through a combustion tube containing heated lithium metal, the atoms of lithium metal lose their valence electrons and force the hydrogen atoms to accept the electrons. This forms 2 moles of lithium hydride. Lithium hydride is used in the manufacture of ceramics. Reaction of alkali metals with oxygen. Alkali metals react with oxygen to form their respective metal oxides. To understand this, let us take an example when a highly reactive metal such as sodium is kept in contact with air. The shiny metal surface immediately tarnishes to a rough surface, and a sodium oxide layer is formed on the surface. 4 moles of sodium react with oxygen to give 2 moles of sodium oxide. Sodium oxide is used in ceramics and glasses. Reaction of alkali metals with halogen. Alkali metals react with halogen to form their respective metal halides. For example, 2 moles of sodium react with chlorine gas to form 2 moles of solid sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is used as a common salt. Reaction with sulfur. Alkali metals react with sulfur to form their respective metal sulfides. For example, 2 moles of sodium react with 1 mole of sulfur to form 1 mole of sodium sulfide. Sodium sulfide is used in the textile industry as a bleaching agent. Summary: alkali metals react with water to produce their respective metal hydroxides. They also react with hydrogen to give their respective metal hydrides. When alkali metals react with oxygen, they form their respective metal oxides. Alkali metals also react with halogen to form their respective metal halides. Alkali metals, on reaction with sulfur, form their respective metal sulfides.